Have you ever wondered what makes people obey authority figures? Why some children can resist temptation while others can't? Or how our social roles can drastically change the way we act? In this video, we're exploring 10 groundbreaking experiments in psychology that answer these questions and more. These studies didn't just push the boundaries of science, they revealed hidden truths about human nature and the forces that shape our behavior. From shocking tests of obedience to life-changing lessons about attachment, you're about to uncover the incredible experiments that have forever transformed the field of psychology. So grab a seat, stay curious, and get ready to dive deep into the fascinating stories behind these iconic studies. And trust me, you won't want to miss what we've got for you at the end. A perspective that might just change the way you see the world. 10 great experiments in psychology. The Milgram experiment, 1961. Stanley Milgram set out to investigate how far people would go in obeying authority, even when it meant harming others. In this experiment, participants were asked to administer electric shocks to another person, actually an actor, whenever they gave a wrong answer. As the shocks supposedly increased in intensity, participants heard the actor's cries of pain. Shockingly, 65% of participants continued to the highest voltage despite expressing discomfort. Milgram's work revealed the unsettling extent to which individuals comply with authority, shedding light on historical events and human susceptibility to social pressure. The study continues to spark ethical debates about research methods, but remains a cornerstone in understanding obedience. The Stanford prison experiment, 1971, Philip Zimbardo's infamous study, aimed to explore the psychological effects of perceived power. College students were assigned roles as guards or prisoners in a mock prison. Within days, guards became authoritarian and abusive, while prisoners became submissive and distressed. The experiment had to be terminated prematurely due to its extreme psychological impact. Zimbardo's findings highlighted how social roles and environments can drastically influence behavior, offering profound insights into the dynamics of power, authority, and group identity. Though ethically controversial, it remains one of the most discussed studies in psychology. The Little Albert experiment, 1920, conducted by John B. Watson and Rosalie Rayner, this study demonstrated the principles of classical conditioning in humans. Our baby, nicknamed Little Albert, was exposed to a white rat. Initially, he showed no fear. However, the researchers paired the sight of the rat with loud, frightening noises. Over time, Albert began to fear not only the rat, but also other white, furry objects. This experiment showed how emotional responses could be conditioned and generalized. While groundbreaking, it's widely criticized for its lack of ethical considerations, especially given Albert's distress. The Asch Conformity experiment, 1951. Solomon Asch investigated how social pressure affects individual decision-making. Participants were placed in groups where actors intentionally gave incorrect answers to a simple task, matching the length of lines. Surprisingly, about 75% of participants conformed to the group's wrong answer at least once, even when the correct answer was obvious. This experiment revealed the powerful influence of social conformity and how the desire to fit in can override one's own judgment, a phenomenon still relevant in understanding group behavior today.